Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Pira. I know it took me 3 months to come with the podcast, but yes, ये पॉडकास्ट हम लोग लेके आ रहे हैं और ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पॉडकास्ट है क्योंकि ये मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया है मेरे फ्रेंड प्रियंका फड़के के साथ और शी इज़ अ ब्लॉगर, फूड ब्लॉगर। और खाने के बारे में अगर बात करो तो सबसे ज़्यादा खाना किसको पसंद है? मुझे। पर अभी तक हम लोग ने बीरा के चैनल पे फूड व्लॉग्स जो अपलोड किए हैं ना वो मधुरा के साथ, बट ये टाइम बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग ब्लॉग आने वाला है विच विल बी इन फ्यू डेज, पक्का, नॉट 3 months। बोल रहा है, पक्का बोल रहा है, मैं खुद को भी बोल रहा है, तुम लोग को भी बोल रहा है। एंड मेक श्योर कि आप इस वीडियो को एंड तक दें क्योंकि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी के बारे में बात हुआ है। अगर आप बात किया है और साथ में साथ अगर आप फूड ब्लॉगिंग में इंटरेस्टेड हो या फूड इन्फ्लुएंसर में इंटरेस्टेड हो जो इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं रिगार्डिंग रेस्टोरेंट्स, जोमेटो रिव्यूज़ में इंटरेस्टेड हो, तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए क्योंकि ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। और सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट कि आप इस वीडियो को एंड तक दें क्योंकि इसके एंड में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट बोला है। तो प्लीज़ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द वीडियो। हाँ, प्रियंका फड़के, वेलकम टू मित्र भेट। मित्र भेट, हाउ आर यू?
Hello, I'm very good. How are you?
I am fantastic, man. I am fantastic. Things are going way too much as expected.
That's great.
Thanks to God, thanks to Almighty energy and all. So, what's up? क्या चल रहा है फिलहाल?
Right now, I mean, personally life में या what?
Anyways, like
Yeah,
anyhow you
exactly.
can, yeah.
Hmm, yeah, a bit. I have just completed MBA. So right now I'm going for
Woo!
that placement.
Congratulations, congratulations.
Thank you. So
MBA?
I'm giving a lot of interviews. MBA in marketing.
So, how's your experience giving interviews right now?
So I'm a fresher, so I haven't,
Work for
done any
anywhere.
interview prior to doing MBA. So for me, this was, yeah, so very first experience. And yeah, in the beginning when I started, I was nervous. I didn't know how to perform well and how to prepare for interview. But as I started giving more and more interviews, now I'm getting comfortable with whole process and I'm actually liking it. So I used to hate interviews in the beginning, but now, yeah, I'm very comfortable. Like it's a part of your life. You have to go through it. You cannot skip. Yeah, so it's great.
Great, man, great. Very all the best to you, and I hope you get all the required
Thank you.
things you want. Well, speaking about interviews, you are someone
Mm-hmm.
who is very much into writing things instead of speaking in front of camera. So, can you tell your experience about writing blogs first of all?
So, so you want how it started and
Yeah,
everything?
before starting, मतलब till now, अब तक का experience, what is your experience? How is it? Like you have written so many blogs on
Okay,
your
okay.
page, so
Yeah. So the experience was filled with a lot of learnings and growth. So when I
hmm.
started, I didn't have any idea how this thing works. We just me and my friend we both started this blog, and we were very new to this concept. So we observed what other popular food bloggers are doing, and then through that we improved our content, the way we write, the way we click pictures. And so yeah, I mean, there were a lot of learnings through this journey. And getting out of your comfort zone, that's something I experienced. So at first I didn't know how to write a good catchy blog. People should feel like they should read whatever I have written in. So it wasn't very appealing in the beginning, but then yeah, eventually I got hold of it, and right now I think we are doing pretty great.
Great. And like you told me about beginning of the vlogs, can you just tell me something more, like how exactly blogging came to in your life and how blogging started actually?
So, me and my friend's name is Kopil. So we both handle my page named The Foodborn. We were big foodies even before we knew this Instagram and how blog works. So social media basically, how a page works. We were big foodies, and whenever there was a new restaurant opening in Thane, we used to go there and try out that restaurant and try to give review about it to our friends. So one day we just had this idea that why don't we start our own page and post pictures and our experiences, because we used to try a lot of places. I'm probably had tried all the restaurants in Thane. I mean, now a lot of new restaurants are opening, but majority of them I have tried. So yeah, so to help people to be, it was like a guide or maybe something. So before you are going to some place in Thane, you should check my blog and you will get the idea how the restaurant is or maybe the food. So yeah, so that's how we started. And in the beginning we used to just post whatever place we were going to. We didn't get any invites in the beginning, and I'm doing this for 3 years now. So first 2 years we didn't get any invites, and but then eventually as the followers increased and as the popularity increased, we started getting invites. And
Mm-hmm.
so yeah, through that,
And
uh,
you know the
so we have
speciality about
reached to where
Mitrabit?
we are right now.
Okay, okay. So do you know the speciality about Mitrabit? Mitrabit started from a food blogger itself. Okay, the journey of Mitrabit started from a food blogger. His name
Oh,
was Hogger Rabi, and he's also very pretty guy who writes nice blogs on food. He posts a lot of Instagram images. And today also, this episode is about food blogs, and I am so excited to talk about a lot of things. Well, moving further,
that's great.
actually, I just wanted to know one thing, which ki, how was Priyanka when she wrote her first blog, and how is Priyanka today while writing her whatever is the number of the vlog? So, like, what is the difference between the first and the till date last one in Priyanka Padke?
Okay, so the difference is very huge. So when I started my blog, I was just BCom graduate. I had never spoken in front of people. Instagram was very new to me. I didn't used to click a lot of pictures, and I was very shy, introvert person. And now, after this blog, after I mean this whole journey, and actually, obviously, my MBA journey helped my personality to grow personally. And so right now, I'm more comfortable, to take any challenges, to step out of my comfort zone. Even if tomorrow you tell me to speak in front of 100 people, I will be ready.
Mm-hmm.
Through the end of blogging journey, so we used to meet a lot of restaurant owners, a lot of people, a lot of different bloggers, and so kind of I came out of that introvert zone. And people say that okay, we do it just for fun. Back then it was just for fun, but actually a lot of learning and growth happened to our personalities through that. It's just not just you go to some restaurant and you eat food and have fun. No, you see how the restaurant is working, you get to know what the idea is behind that restaurant or that brand, what kind of menu they are putting, how they are trying to make customer experience more unique, how what is their strategy, what marketing things they are doing. So you get to know a lot of things. And the main thing is how the restaurant business is, how they run it, how they do it properly. I got to know a lot of insights through that. And so yeah, it was very helpful whole this journey has to my personality. as an introvert, and now I see, I won't say I'm extrovert, but someone who will be ready to,
Speak in front of
to take,
100 people, or
yeah.
yeah, more
I mean,
confidence.
whatever. It can be whatever. So, just for example, speaking in front of people or meeting new people, or maybe doing a video. I अगर ये मैं तभी बोलती, आई मीन इफ यू वुड हैव अप्रोच मी बैक देन तभी मुझे बहुत डर लगता है ये सब करने के लिए, बट राइट नाउ आई वाज when Madhura asked me, I was very excited. Wow, this is something new, and I would love to do this.
Great, great. And I just love these experiences about every people. Like even I can say this when I started making podcast initially. If you go and check my first ever podcast, you will laugh. You will think कि ये ही वो बंदा है. Please, मतलब the thing is कि growth again, experience
Right,
and growth
right,
due to experience. Both things bring a lot of interest, like and encouragement towards a person. And trust me, man,
right.
more power to you. You can do way too much better than this. That's what I feel after listening to you. And now speaking about blogs, well, whose idea was to start blogging? Was it yours? Was it your friends? Or and how blogging came into whole scenario? Because you told me because you just started while like you wanted to eat different type of cuisines or you wanted to try out different restaurant. From there to blogging, how this whole journey was.
So, me and my friend in 2018, me and my friend were sitting in food court, and we were obviously eating. And she just said me, "Hey, why don't we start, an Instagram page wherein we will put whatever we are eating, the pictures of whatever we are eating, and we will just review it. So, for example, if I'm eating a donut, then I will review that place how the donut was, and based on price, quality, all these things. So back then we didn't know that that this can turn into a very professional page. It was just for maybe fun, or to create my own community, I mean, of food lovers. That's what we wanted to do. So that's how we started. Back then I had no idea, I mean, about blogs. We used to just follow one famous blogger, Zingy Zest. I guess you might be knowing her.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we used to follow. She was back then also, she was famous like 3 years before. So we used to follow her and see how she is doing, and through that we started, putting up content, and slowly, gradually it increased. So then we got to, okay, well, we learned how to create appealing videos of dish getting prepared, or tempting videos which we see, someone is pulling the piece of pizza and that
Mm-hmm.
cheese pull, and how to make it more appealing, तो देख के ऐसे भूख लगनी चाहिए. So yeah, so वो दूसरों को देख के, उनके कंटेंट को देख के, सीख के, we try to make our own content, and yeah, so that's how it basically started.
Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. And so the thing was की गाडी गेली actually म्हणून मी शांत झालो.
हाँ.
तर so now what do you feel about after whole COVID pandemic has hit? How was it affected towards you and your blogs? Before we go any further, I just want to know about this because restaurants तो बंद हो गए थे, लॉकडाउन हो गया
Yeah.
था. Then तभी तुम लोग ने कैसे मैनेज किया सब कुछ?
So at first it was a challenge, obviously, कि अभी तो रेस्टोरेंट्स नहीं वर्क करेंगे, सो कंटेंट कहाँ से क्रिएट करें. ये एक फर्स्ट चैलेंज था, बट देन तभी food orders, I mean food delivery was there, and many restaurants were doing that. So we started ordering food home, and through that reviewing how the delivery is. I mean, how restaurants are doing now in the pandemic. I mean, how the food is when they deliver it to home. So it is a completely different. When you have it in the restaurant, that's a different experience, and when they deliver it to your home, it's a completely different thing, because many things matter. No, the food is hot, served hot, the atmosphere, the ambience, it all works towards the experience that you're getting. And at home you don't get that, you're just getting the parcel of the food. So we started reviewing that. And I think, yeah, so after a few months, I guess in month of September, we started visiting the restaurants again. So wasn't really a challenge, I would say, because home delivery was there. So content बनाने में इतना issue नहीं आया कोविड की वजह से. But at first, yeah, we were scared, so we gave a little time, देखते हैं how the situation is going on, and then according to that we changed our content. So there were a lot of home recipes, घर पे खाना बनाना, something, trying something different, dalgona coffee.
Yeah.
So we have done.
There was a wave of Dalgona coffee, no doubt.
Yeah,
First there was a
yeah.
COVID wave, and then there was a Dalgona coffee wave.
People used to love it, back then. Like
Yes, yes.
everyone must have tried.
Yeah, even I tried.
ऐसा नहीं होगा कि
Even
किसने.
I tried.
Yeah, and it was something fun. यार चलो time है, घर पे बैठे तो क्यों ना try
क्यों ना
करें.
try करें? True, sure, so sure. Wow, this is something awesome, and I love the whole experience you are talking about. And well, now, do you feel like I am on this tangent? Ki I feel somewhere somehow that after COVID has hit or after YouTubers are blooming out, there is a lot of less numbers of bloggers as compared to YouTubers. Do you feel so?
So I can't really compare. I mean, bloggers and YouTubers. I mean, the number, or and there are, yeah, definitely YouTubers are more than bloggers. But when it comes to
Hmm.
food bloggers ka community, so
Hmm.
I didn't see any change like bloggers have reduced or anything. I think there are, I mean, every day I don't know how many people would be starting their own blogs. I mean, पता नहीं, but बहुत bloggers आ रहे हैं आजकल. And actually I am seeing growth in
In
जैसे ही
blogging.
pandemic start हुआ, yeah, many people started doing that. So not necessarily food blog. Many girls started beauty blogs, makeup blogs, then home decor blogs, anything that they were interested in. Singers started their own page, and now the reels have completely changed the dynamics, of Instagram. How it was, like, people are gaining followers like anything. Like in 2-3 days, they are gaining 5K, 10K through reels. That's completely amazing.
That is so true.
Yeah, so I feel the pandemic kind of pushed this whole influencer thing. Like
Mm-hmm.
I think many people during the pandemic, because they had the time, they were sitting at home, and it's nice. They were creating something unique, something good with their, the time that they had, and showing their creativity. So
Yeah.
that's great.
So now speaking about blogging, trust me, I have asked few of my friends like, do you like to go for blogging or vlogging, or maybe what we can say that food vlogging. Most of the
Okay.
people suggested we should always try blogging because blogging has a lot of written material, but vlogging is something which they will prefer in comparative with this. Okay, but in such case, I want to give to the audience some or the few tips from your end. Ki, what do you think a blogger should do while starting their journey of blogging?
Okay. So only blogging, no
Yeah, only blogging.
vlog.
No
Okay,
blogging.
okay, okay. So before starting, I think you need to find out what your niche is. I mean, what you're interested in, what is unique. You're going to put in front of people, and even if you haven't figured out, getting started is the main thing. So they should first start whatever they want to do, even if it is inspired by some other person. but start doing it, be consistent. So what happens, many bloggers I have seen, they post for 2 3 weeks or for a month, and then they just give up.
Hmm.
So that, once you start, once you stop being active on this social media pages, the page gets really hampered, the
Hmm.
your viewers and everything, your the likes you are getting. So consistency is the key. Many
Yeah.
times I felt that my content is not up to the mark, or maybe it's not getting the engagement which I am expecting, but then still I kept on posting. Yeah, it's okay to take a break for a week, or maybe for 2 weeks, if you're going through some
Hmm.
personal, serious
Hmm.
personal
Hmm.
stuff.
Hmm.
But then, you should always come back. Don't give up on your blog easily. It will, see, for some people, it does wonders in for 1 week or 2 weeks or
Yeah.
in few
Yeah.
weeks. Some people take time, and ठीक है, इतना तो real life में भी होता है. Some people get success like this, in a minute, and some people they take
Yashraj
time. So
Mukhate. But again, we can for surely say that there is a
yeah,
lot of efforts which are behind this whole thing. Again, there is a
right.
lot of hard work behind all this thing, and वो
Yes.
दिखता नहीं है. वो दिखता नहीं है. जिसको
Good.
दिख रहा है, जिसको पता है कि इसने मेहनत किया है, वो लोग पता है. They will not say
Good.
the names in such way. Even I will not also say, because I am listening Yashraj Mukhate still since past 2 years. Okay. क्या
Okay.
करूं मैं इतनी सुंदर हो, तो आई हैव लिसन वे बिफोर दैट सॉन्ग गॉट ट्रेंडिंग. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
I know him because again he's a Maharashtrian guy. I'm a Maharashtrian guy. He's from Kolhapur, so I know,
Okay.
and he's very interesting person. So we can surely say that कि there is a lot of effort. कभी तुम्हारा
Sure.
वीडियो बूम कर
Definitely.
सकता है, तुम्हें नहीं समझेगा, बट तब तक
Makes
के लिए
sense.
यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट, एंड
Correct.
दैट goes
Correct.
with blogging, vlogging, Instagram influencing, LinkedIn
Anything.
influencing, anything. And
Anything.
I just
Anything in life.
anything, yeah, anything in life as such, not only social media, but the world
Right.
out of social media also will give you same output if you are consistent. रोज ऑफिस जाओगे तो
Yeah.
सैलरी मिलेगा.
Right.
एकदम
Right.
बेस्ट एग्जांपल.
Definitely. And it's not just consistency. So you need to have a self realization that what content you are putting, I mean, थोड़ा खुद के content को ही judge करना चाहिए. So okay, so this post work really well, so which means my viewers are liking this kind of post, or this post didn't do well, so then don't go there. Go where your viewers are interested. Go where you're getting a lot of views, likes, and you can see that. And Instagram is such a user friendly platform, because वो लोग सब देते हैं insights, at what time you should post, from where your viewers are, from which city, gender, सब तुम लोग को पता चलता
सब
है.
सब
So
पता चलता है, सब पता
based on, yeah, right, so based on that, using those insights to grow. So they, if anyone starting, at first it will feel a very hard task, but then once you get hold of it, once you get used to it, easily हो जाएगा. मतलब इतना इतना भी ऐसे difficult नहीं है blog start करना. But then again, exactly, so consistency, hard work, and be determined that I want to do this, I want to create, even though right now you don't have correct answers for, maybe unique नहीं होगा content, या फिर ज्यादा अच्छी quality नहीं होगी. कितने सारे यूट्यूबर्स हैं जो उनके फर्स्ट वीडियोस जाकर देखोगे तो they were all blurry and
है.
like
शेकी,
not,
ब्लरी.
हाँ, right, but then if you see the recent ones, you can see great change, I mean drastic changes. So yeah.
Super awesome. I'm just loving this conversation because this is so heart to heart connected again. The points and the opinions are so matching. Even though you are into a whole different line, like you're writing to writing things, and I'm into making videos, I completely understand this matter of fact, and I agree with you, because when it comes to making things, चार चीज करने से नहीं सक्सेस मिलेगा.
Right.
400 या फिर 4,000 से भी नहीं मिलेगा. जब तुम 40,000 का मार्क अचीव करोगे ना, तब शायद मिले, वो भी शायद
Right.
मिले. तो एक
शायद.
बहुत ही लगन से करना चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा डिटर्मिनेशन, अगेन आई विल से, बिकॉज ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड स्पीकिंग अबाउट डिटर्मिनेशन, स्पीकिंग अबाउट मेकिंग कंटेंट, वी हैव समवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस हु इज वर्किंग फॉर 3 years, which is not easy. So, like,
Yeah.
and then too, she is also still confident and she has not lost any kind of hope, which is great. Like, again, kudos to you, because we are working for 1.5 year almost, and I know how it feels, how much efforts. And फिर घर से कुछ सवाल आते हैं या घर से भी बहुत सारी चीजें आते
Definitely.
हैं, उनको भी टैकल करना रहता है. तो यू आर डूइंग अ
Right.
ग्रेट जॉब, मैन. एंड well, moving ahead, I just wanted to know about your Instagram growth before we go anywhere else. Before Instagram growth, I just have this one question. This is quite personal,
Okay.
but still, uh, the thing is, ki you told me about niche, okay, following niche. But there is something
Right.
which I am pretty sure ki I am doing it on a creative level, or I am doing it in a different level, which is my thing, and I want to do it. My audience doesn't like it, or my whoever is watching or reading my things are not liking
Okay.
it, or maybe not interested in it,
Okay.
but I want to do it. Would you
Okay.
upload such content, or would you skip such kind of content? Because you have worked a lot of hard on it, and you have the, or else you have not worked hard. You will work hard, because when it comes to making
Okay.
it, you need that much efforts. Okay,
Right.
and
Right.
then you will make it, and then that will be very much interesting for you, but maybe not for the audience. What would you do? Would
Mhm.
you upload such kind of a content, or no, you would you skip such kind of a content?
So, I what I personally feel is any type of content you post now, there will be two three people who will be interested in that. Definitely two three. So if you have 1,000 followers, उसमें से 10 लोग तो आप जो आप खुद के लिए like whatever you're posting for your own liking, they will be there for that. So it's ऐसे नहीं है कि इसके लिए किसी को भी ये पसंद नहीं आएगा या फिर ऐसे नहीं होगा. या मे बी वो चीज पॉपुलर नहीं होगी. इंस्टाग्राम पे ट्रेंड्स बहुत चलते हैं एंड लोग वो ट्रेंड्स ही फॉलो करते हैं. सो इट माइट नॉट गेट that popularity, that kind of engagement. But see, at the end of the day, everything is not about getting the engagement, getting the likes, and it's something you should enjoy the journey.
Hmm.
So if someone is doing it for their own interest, they should post it. Eventually they will get that kind of viewers. That's what YouTubers do. I mean, see now, for example, take for example Prajakta Puri. सबको नहीं पसंद आते होंगे उसके
नहीं.
वीडियोस, बट
हाँ.
देन उसका एक व्यूअर कम्युनिटी इज देयर. नॉट एवरीवन लाइक्स हर, बट देन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु डू लाइक हर. सो वो तो होगा ही. सो इतना आई मीन वी शुड नॉट टेक these things very seriously. It's okay if you like something. That's what your blog is. That is what for you have started your blog, to put your creativity. It is your personal thing that you are showing to people. So not always you should think of whether they will like it or not, or it's not popular, I should not post it. You never know what happens. Some maybe सबको पसंद भी आ जाए.
Exactly, exactly, 110%. Yeah, and this is something which I wanted to tell to the audience from your end also and from my end also, because बहुत सारे लोग हैं ना, नीश फॉलो करो, नीश करते हैं यार, ये वो नहीं है, ये वो लेवल का नहीं है. ठीक है, क्या हुआ, तुम एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हो ना, कुछ अलग
Right.
चीज ट्राई कर रहे हो ना, करो.
Right.
नहीं, फेल हुआ तो क्या करोगे, ठीक है ना, गिरोगे, वापस खड़े हो जाओ.
So
ग्रेट मैन.
by niche, so by niche I meant कि that is only कि खुद की एक चीज. This is unique to me. ऐसे कुछ करो. So as you said that okay, जो मेरी जो uniqueness है, it might not be very popular on Instagram or according to the Instagram trends. So अभी अगर यशराज मुखादे का example लिया जाए, so वो जो I mean I have seen his old videos. So back then who knew
Who knew
he is doing
exactly?
it? He might उसको भी तो same question आया होगा कि लोगों को पसंद आ भी रहा है क्या? But he
Hmm.
kept on doing that and एक वीडियो से वो ऐसे पॉपुलर बन गया. So and now people are liking it.
Yeah.
So yeah,
अभी
we should
अभी
never.
कुछ भी अगर he will upload.
Right. We should never lose hopes and think little of ourselves that किसी को नहीं पसंद आ रहा है तो मैं क्यों करूं? No man, I
मुझे
mean,
पसंद आया ना, मुझे पसंद आया.
right. Exactly.
Great. Yes, and this is what motivation I want from you and from myself also. Again, this is a kind of a push towards all those content creators listening out there, or
Right.
anyone who is interested in making videos in future. They should surely check this out because ये चीजें ही तुम्हें ऊपर लेके जाएगी. तुम्हारे एक्सपेरिमेंट से ही तुम्हें ज्यादा सिखाएंगे इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग द
Exactly.
सेम थिंग. अंदर से अंदर तुम्हें अगर नहीं पता है तो अंदर से अंदर तुम जाके आशीष संसानी को पूछो कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है आज भी तुम्हें वही वीडियोस बनाते हुए. ही विल टेल कि मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मुझे बुरा लग रहा है, बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट्स टू बट द ऑडियंस वोंट अग्री. बट on a
Right.
different level he wants to and he tries. Abhi recently he made a super negative video which was on a negative character. The video bloomed. Barkha did an awesome acting. He is an awesome actor himself, and that video bloomed. So that is why experiments are important. And
Right.
speaking about all experiment, I just love to tell this thing. Ki maybe Priyanka will also try some or other experiments. So make sure you click on the blog, which will be down in the description below. And now moving ahead, I want to just know this one thing कि अर्निंग के पहले का फेज, लाइक अर्निंग थ्रू ब्लॉग्स के पहले का फेज
Okay.
और अर्निंग थ्रू ब्लॉग्स के आफ्टर का फेज में डिफरेंस क्या है?
Okay, yeah, nice question actually because बहुत लोगों को लगता है I want to put this that bloggers तो फुकट का खाना खाते हैं. I have heard this from so many people and उनको क्या है यार, मतलब मजे है, सिर्फ खाओ, फोटोज निकाल के डालो एंड बाकी कुछ नहीं करते. So सी ब्लॉग स्टार्ट, एक स्टार्ट होती है वो चीज एंड उसको वो लेवल तक लेके जाने में देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ, सी यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, you are investing your money when it comes to food. Nobody was, when we just started, okay, for example, the first day when we started the page, no restaurant approached us. No, we went to them, we we created that content. So khana, I mean the food, we purchased it. They didn't offer us for free in the beginning. For 2 years, we were doing that only. If we want to try the place, for the sake of blog, we used to go there. कि चलो लोगों को बताते हैं कैसी है ये place, and it's okay अगर अपने पैसे गए तो. So इतना invest मैंने किया है उसमें, वो in the initial years, and now that after that stage, I am getting invites, but then also I haven't actually maintained my what I can say quality of the reviews, maybe because what happens, many bloggers they change when restaurants try approach them, and obviously they are giving food for free, so they try to give very positive reviews. Kind of वो एक ये हो जाता है, sugar coat हो जाता है वो
हाँ हाँ
review
हाँ.
basically. But yeah, but I have tried to always be honest with viewers even if I'm getting paid for the things, because see आगे जाके कैसे है, मैं एक रिव्यू ऐसे दे दूंगी, दो रिव्यूज ऐसे दे दूंगी, बट अगर किसी ने ट्राई की वो प्लेस एंड दे डिडंट लाइक इट, सो देन वो मेरी इमेज पे हैम्पर करेगा, राइट?
Yeah,
सो
sure.
so even after, yeah, so earn करने के बाद भी actually I have remained the same. I mean there wasn't any change because see what I want, earning is not my goal, was never my goal. My goal was I'm trying this new place. If you want to go, then just check out my blog, see what I have experienced over there, see the food, and then go there and give me the feedback that you like. That's more important than the money that restaurant will pay me. So actually I would like to share this experience. So one of my friend, she was my classmate actually, and she just read my blog and went to restaurant which I have reviewed, which was nearby her area. And then suddenly, we met in train, and she told me, "Hey, I read your blog, and I immediately liked the place, and I took my parents over there, and we loved it." And that feeling was so different. That, oh, you read my blog and then you went there. That's what, that is equal to money for me, actually more than money, honestly. So I felt like, oh wow, that's so great that my blog, it helped someone. So review, I mean. So it helped, and she had a great experience over there. So that's very precious thing for me. Rather than see, अगर मेरा blog वो review fake होता, for example, मतलब restaurant is giving me food and just for the sake of doing it, so मैं अगर वो उसको sugar coat करके हाँ this is amazing, go to this place वो करती and वो जाती उधर, okay मेरी friend, and उसको पसंद नहीं आता, तो what she would have thought कि okay so the इसके vlogs तो I mean reviews are very fake.
Fake, yeah.
So
That
exactly.
actually will
So
hamper the image also, and that will lose the trust.
exactly.
So
So
actually, moving before you complete your sentence, I want to ask was ki, do you think there is a lot of what we can say responsibility once you have started getting paid? And
definitely.
Mhm.
Yeah. So okay. So after, yeah, once you I mean once we get paid, right?
Mm.
Yeah, definitely. So responsibility is there because you need to provide them the deliverables. I mean, what they are paying you for. So if they want reels of their restaurant,
Mm.
or the videos. So they tell us that what they expect, and definitely, actually, blog start करने के बाद ही तुम लोग की responsibility start होती है, because some of your friends they are following what you are saying. Based on that they judge the restaurant, and it's a big responsibility. That's why I have always kept it honest. I mean, honesty is the best policy.
Yeah,
जैसा है
so
वैसा
true.
बोलो. It's better to please. I mean, it's better to make my viewers happy rather than make restaurant happy, because restaurants तो आते रहेंगे यार.
सही है, सही है. And this is the main thing which I actually wanted to tell कि करो, तुम चीजें गलत करना चाहते हो तो करो, बट what I want to tell is कि गलत चीजें करने से I'm not promoting गलत चीजें करना, but I'm just telling this matter of fact to everyone who is reading this or who is watching this. I will just say this one thing कि तुम अगर गलत चीजें करोगे तुम्हें उसका डबल गलत इम्पैक्ट मिलेगा, और तुम सही चीजें करोगे,
Definitely.
ऑनेस्टी से चीजें करोगे, तो तुम्हें डबल का तो पता नहीं बट उसके मल्टीपल टाइम्स में मिलेगा. कितना आई डोंट नो, बट रिटर्न मिलता
Right,
है.
right.
And be more honest with your friends, be more honest with your what we say audience, because initially तो friends ही
Right.
सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, बाद में तुम्हारे ऑडियंस बनेगा, एक
Definitely.
एक्चुअली बड़ा कम्युनिटी क्रिएट होगा, बट स्टार्टिंग में जो फ्रेंड्स होंगे उनको ऑनेस्टी दिखाओ,
Right.
और उनके बाद
Right.
फिर करो, जो गलत लगा गलत बताओ, सही लगा सही बताओ.
सही बताओ. Exactly.
So yeah, man, and this is something which I was waiting for, this type of talk, because again I have had a word myself with many of these people, those who are speaking about food bloggers, कि इन लोग को बहुत, इन लोग का लाइफ बहुत अच्छा रहता है, फंड्स भी मिलता है, खाने को भी मिलता है, but what about the responsibility? Have you thought about it?
Right.
कितना अलग लेवल का प्रेशर रहता है जब एक चीज बनाना हो, तो प्रेशर फ्रॉम बोथ द वेज, फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस एंड जिसने पे किया है उसने भी, उसके साइड से
उसके
भी.
भी उसको. Right. Right.
Anyways, moving towards the further point, I just want to know any one of your favorite experiences which you would like to share.
Okay. So, so there was one restaurant. So one experience I already shared with you, when my friend gave me the feedback that she liked the restaurant which I reviewed and recommended to the people. That was, I will never forget it. So that was a very great moment for me. Another was, there is a restaurant called Purna Brahma. So they invited us for the review, and it was a Maharashtrian restaurant. So first of all, you know how rare Maharashtrian restaurants are. I mean, yeah, there are Malwani restaurants, okay? They are pretty famous, but Maharashtrian मतलब उसमें सब कुछ, पुरणपोळी, then वरण भात, कोथिंबीर वड्या. So all this, typical Maharashtrian things. I never, we don't see this on a larger platform. I mean, whenever you see some foreigner talking about Indian food, what you see, Punjabi or South Indian. I have never seen anyone talking about Maharashtrian, or if I'm, just watching a blog of New York or any city, foreign city, Maharashtrian food is not there, haven't reached that level, you know. And this, what this restaurant is doing, they are basically making Maharashtrian food popular. So as a Maharashtrian, I felt, really connected. Okay, this is such a great thing because yeah, even Maharashtrian food is delicious. You know, it had some really good delicacies. We have it, and people should try it. You know, so they have their chains of restaurant in Bangalore. So over there they are promoting
Oh,
it. Yeah, yeah. And what I liked is, so the whole chains of restaurants, they are all running by women. So
oh,
all women are there, and so not only women, so they are war widows, or women who are in need, and they give jobs to such women. So both the ways that restaurant really touch my heart, because yeah, Maharashtrian food, I mean, really, there is so much of potential, and it needs to bring forward to that platform, and people need to make it popular. Yeah.
but to add to your point, I just want to say this thing की वरण भातावरती तुपाची धार सोडणं हे कुठल्याही पेने अल्फ्रेडो पेक्षा बेटर आहे.
Perfect.
ठीक आहे, बिकॉज
कोणतंही
द
कम्फर्ट फूड याला.
हा
हा.
very good for the whole process. The whole thing is very good for your health also. It is very tasty
Exactly.
also, and you feel complete, not heavy. After penne alfredo you might feel heavy in certain situations, but after varan bhatavarti
Definitely,
tupachi dhar
definitely.
and batataची भाजी, oh ho ho, आज तो संकष्टी है when we are recording this. I can just experience.
Oh,
This is coming soon on my plate.
right.
So yeah, and I just feel honored because once again you are promoting your own like own restaurant or your own cuisine. Okay, and I'm sorry, I said restaurant. What I wanted to say was कि you're promoting your own cuisine, Maharashtrian food. Aloo vada
Yes.
bola, whatever is coming, kothambir vadi, aloo vadi. It has its own different unique taste, and it has the
Yeah.
creation itself is very different and very important. So I would like to suggest कि जो लोग भी vlog कर रहे हैं या फिर blog कर रहे हैं, I want them to promote this Maharashtrian cuisine in their in their blogs and their vlogs, because यार करो यार, लोकांना माहिती नाही तुम्ही काय काय खाल्लंय ते. ठीक आहे, उकडीच्या
आणि
मोदकात परत तूप
सी,
घालून बघा, ते पण वेगळं आहे ते.
definitely. And कोथिंबीर वड्या, आळू वड्या. So when it comes to Maharashtrian food, एकच गोष्ट दिसते, वडापाव. वडापाव इज ओके. वडापाव फेमस आहे, सगळीकडे मिळतो. बट आपण हे गोष्टी ज्या आहेत, असं ज्या वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या वड्या आहेत, पोहे आपल्याकडे वेगळ्या पद्धतीचे बनवले जातात. जसं वरण भात हा खूप लोकांनी, म्हणजे नॉन महाराष्ट्रीयन्सनी नसेल एक्सपिरियन्स केला. त्याच्यानंतर खव्याची पोळी, गुळाची पोळी, हे पदार्थ. सो
नेट लॅग झालं.
नो नो नो.
हा, so you are saying about Maharashtrian cuisine.
So, so what I was saying is, so these unique dishes which Maharashtrian cuisine has, very rarely we get to have it in a fine dining restaurants, and that's what the restaurant is doing, you know. So yeah, so that's a great thing, and that is the reason why, it is one of the best thing which I came across by blogging.
Great. So, well, माझ्या साईडनं सगळं क्लिअर आहे. तुला काय विचारायचं, तुला काय ऍड करायचं?
Okay. ऍक्च्युली हा, आपण म्हणजे बऱ्यापैकी क्वेश्चन्स तर क्लिअर
आय हॅव वन
केले.
थिंग, मला आता आठवलं.
ओके.
बट या, यू गो अहेड, यू आर टेलिंग समथिंग.
म्हणजे सो मी तुला आधीच जसं आयडिया दिली होती की, सो एनी न्यू ब्लॉगर असेल ज्याला कळत नसेल
त्याच्याबद्दल तर
कसं
बोललो ना
स्टार्ट.
आपण.
हो, आपण बरंच क्लिअर केलंय. सो आता हा, सो तूच
So
तू
now on an average, well, now on an average, how many restaurants have you covered till date, if you can count?
मोर दॅन 100.
More than 100 restaurants you have covered, and इतना सारा अलग अलग टाइप का cuisine, अलग अलग फूड खाने के बाद, what my question was कि आप खुद का हेल्थ कैसे मेंटेन करते हो? because I have tried a lot of different food, but I never have succeeded in getting in shape. बस खाना खाने में बोलो यार, एक नंबर है हम लोग, but but still.
ये क्वेश्चन तो एकदम सही है बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों का ये क्वेश्चन होगा कि एक साइड में फूड ब्लॉग भी रन करो एंड अपनी हेल्थ का भी ख्याल रखो सो या आई मीन I also faced problems regarding this because there should be a balance and sometimes एक चीज बहुत ज्यादा हो जाती है like for example there was a time when we were eating a lot of outside food and yeah I gained weight but then I realized it quickly. So even I'm not healthy. I won't say my weight is ideal, but you should try, keeping both the things in balance. And see, some people are very confident and they feel good in whatever body they have, but there are many who don't. So it's up to you. I mean, if you are, even if you are overweight, but then you are confident and you don't care, so then okay, go ahead. Go for whatever you want to do. But then, if you have the insecurities or you don't feel good in the body that you are in, I mean, so then you need to balance out things. Take a break from food blogging or whatever is making you eat more and give some more time to your health and then you can come back anytime. That's what I do whenever I feel that okay बहुत बाहर का खाना हो रहा है I just take a break completely and मैं उसमें थोड़ा डाइटिंग या थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज करके फिर से शुरू कर देने
Uh,
का.
Awesome. This is something which is one more cherry on the top. And speaking to you was something, very inspirational, very intellectual, and also giving a lot of insight towards my content
Yeah.
and also an idea about what content you would be making in future. So again, all the best to you. All the best to
Thank
you in
you.
your career ways also and in this whole food blogging. I just want you to not stop making content because your content is fabulous. So guys, make sure because I will be pinning all the links in the description. Make sure आप उनको check out करो. बहुत interesting blogs बनाते हैं ये और LinkedIn पे भी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. So make sure you click the follow button there, subscribe to their blogs and also maybe probably जल्दी ही उन लोग का भी YouTube channel आ जाए. ऐसा pray करते हैं. So we will see you there as a competitor again. So well, thank you so much for giving your valuable time and it was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much to inviting me. And this was something which I had never done before. So it was very fun experience. And this is something very different. And I never had done this. So I had a lot of fun talking with you. And it was great pleasure. So
I will just say one thing. Ki you are doing good and you will do more better and great things in future. So I just want the holy almighty god to bless you in all your ways because that is something which is more important when it comes to doing something which
yeah.
is completely out of the box. अगेन बिकॉज हमारे एंसेस्टर्स है हमारे घर वाले कोई भी इंस्टाग्राम पे हे गाइस चेक आउट ममलू व्लॉग लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ये सब नहीं करते थे तो ये बहुत डिफरेंट है
Right.
एंड इसके लिए और कुछ नहीं यार बस हार्ड वर्क और बहुत ज्यादा डेडिकेशन लगता है जो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है सो विशिंग यू ऑल द बेस्ट वंस अगेन थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग
Thank
एंड
you.
या
And then there is you and sorry, I don't know the name of other guy,
Safi.
but then yeah, हाँ. So हर किसी का अपनी एक personality है, अपना एक knowledge है, and it's so nice that it is a mixture of everything. सब थोड़ा थोड़ा एंड या देखने में बहुत मजा आता है सो all the best from my side to your channel. I'm following it since a long time. I'm watching your videos and yeah, it is impressive. And you have started this whole thing from scratch. So that is very inspiring and I admire you guys. Like nice. I mean, four friends doing हर किसी का अपनी एक चीज कर रहे हैं and constantly blogs कर रहे हैं. I have seen the change in update. Video editing style so पहले जैसे था but now slowly I can see you guys are improving and it's amazing. I mean I really like
Thank you
your
so
page.
much. This is something which ये सुनने के लिए हम लोग बहुत बेकरार रहते हैं, तलब रहता है हम लोग को ये सब चीज का कि भाई कोई आके बोल देगा हमें. बट यस, यू आर द वन एंड थैंक यू सो मच
And
फॉर
you can see the
रिकॉग्नाइजिंग.
hard work, you know, that you guys are put. दिखता है, I mean,
थैंक यू,
सब
थैंक यू.
सब सब चीजों में.
आई डोंट
Thank
नो
you.
हाउ मच थैंक यू मैं बोलूंगा, बट मेरे से बहुत ज्यादा थैंक यू मधुरा विल टेल टू यू. एंड yes, it has been a roller coaster ride for us, and we are working on a lot of things, and we are planning to do way too much interesting stuff in future. So make sure you hit on the
Oh
subscribe
wow.
button,
Yes,
everyone,
definitely.
those who are watching, and like this video, because Priyanka has said a lot of things about us, about herself. एंड अगर यहाँ तक देखे हो, यहाँ पे इंटरेस्टिंग इतना वीडियो देखे हो, तो मेक श्योर कि आप सब्सक्राइब करो हमारे चैनल को, क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत सारे इंटेलेक्चुअल बातें आएंगी और बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल हियर. अगर ये वीडियो आपने यहाँ तक देखा है तो प्लीज मेक श्योर कीजिए कि आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, और उससे भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट पता है क्या है, कि आप प्रियंका के पेज पे जाके चेक कीजिए कि उसने क्या ऑसम लेवल पे फोटोग्राफी किया है उसके फूड का. तो वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी है उसका, और उसको सपोर्ट करे और उसके इंस्टाग्राम पेज को फॉलो करने का कोशिश करें, क्योंकि बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फूड, मतलब वो देख के ही टेम्पटेशन आ जाएगा खाना खाने का आपको अलग अलग रेस्टोरेंट्स में. और ये जर्नी के बारे में आपको कैसा लगा ये हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं, और प्लीज मेक श्योर कि आप हमें और चीजें बताएं कमेंट में कि हम लोग ने क्या करना चाहिए, कुछ अलग एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का कोशिश करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोग कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लाने का कोशिश तो कर रहे हैं, ट्राइंग आवर लेवल बेस्ट विद द बिजी लाइव्स. बट जिस दिन वो आएगा ना, उस दिन तुम लोग भी एकदम शॉक हो जाओगे. तब तक के लिए बस मैं एक ही बताएगा कि जो नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट है, जो कुछ ही दिनों में आने वाला है आपके चैनल पे लाइव, हमारे चैनल पे लाइव, आपके हमारे सबके चैनल पे लाइव, वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है और मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है, क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ा मेमोरी है जो आज तक मैंने सब लोग के लिए बचा के रखा है, और उस मेमोरी को ऑलमोस्ट 2 महीने हो गए मैंने शूट करके. तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, क्योंकि सब्सक्राइब करने से क्या होगा, जब नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगा ना तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा, पर नोटिफिकेशन आने के लिए आपको बेल आइकन भी क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. तो यू नो द गेमिंग राइट. जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप सब्सक्राइब करें, बाकी तो सब चलते रहता है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इट वॉज फन डूइंग दिस वीडियो, एंड आई होप आई कीप मेकिंग सच वीडियोज हैंड्स फोर्थ. तब तक के लिए बाय.